This is the news leader, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Could getting adjusted be the key to finding relief from asthma? A new use for an old treatment. It's coming up next on Eyewitness News. Tonight, an unusual treatment for asthma sufferers. A treatment that some say makes breathing easier. Spinal adjustment. And while your chiropractor may swear by it, the verdict is still out among some medical professionals. Dr. Marvell Scott explains.
Recently, there has been a lot of coverage involving childhood asthma. The reason for all of this attention is that 15 million people nationwide live with the disease. In New York City alone, 700,000 adults and 300,000 children suffer from it. Many of us are familiar with traditional treatments for this condition, such as inhalers and medications. But there may be a treatment which is being overlooked. Chiropractic spinal adjustments have been noted to be helpful in relieving asthma sufferers. Dr. Jon Mastrobattista, who has practiced for 18 years in Bernardsville, has had great success.
We look for the subluxation, the misalignment in the spine, which blocks the flow of the nervous system, and we look to remove that. And when we remove that interference to the nervous system, the body's able to heal itself.
From a traditional medical standpoint, many physicians have a different opinion.
There have been a number of well-controlled studies which have been published in the New England Journal of Medicine which show that there is no scientific basis for this statement. And actually, there's absolutely no difference between chiropractic manipulation and somebody just getting a massage in the control or treatment of asthma.
There is no profound research that supports chiropractic care as an effective way to treat asthma, but the bottom line here are the results. Many patients will swear that it works.
How's that feel, Kyle?
Yeah, I feel that.
14-year-old Kyle DeGhetto, who's been suffering from asthma his whole life, was forced to quit his 8th grade wrestling team because his condition had gotten so bad. Since he began seeing Dr. John last January, he's been able to return back to sports.
After that, this season, I just was pretty much fine the whole season, except for maybe a week or two.
Dr. Gary Stewart, president of the New Jersey Council of Chiropractic, has also seen good results in his patients, but says to beware of chiropractors that promise a cure for asthma.
We're not trying to specifically treat asthma. If we're doing our job properly, we're looking at the whole spinal column, the whole spinal cord, and we should be removing interference wherever it exists.
Dr. Stewart adds, even though the treatment lacks scientific support, many patients are being helped, and that's what matters most to him. I'm Dr. Marvell Scott, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Can you do your neck like that?
The sound bothered me, I gotta tell you that.
Crunch.
Yeah.
I can't either.